Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the Artificial Professor, and in this one we are going to be learning how to record calls on an iPhone. So with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. Let's say you want to record calls for online calling services like, for example, WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other social media. You can easily do that by simply opening your control menu, and here you can see we have this option to screen record. When you long press on that, we have this microphone option in here, so make sure that it is enabled and you will be able to simply record. And also you need to select your social media app from here, and then you can record your audio calls from there. Now the problem with this process is that it cannot record the calls that are on your offline service. So let's say if you call someone on your SIM network, it will not be recorded. So for that, you can head over to Play Store and download some third-party application, but it is not going to be a free process. You can simply pay some money, or you have to pay some money to get that service, and you may be able to record calls on your SIM network. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.